Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you have been warned. So look, here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome everyone. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Oh. Greatest show in the multiverse. We have a great one for you today. Hold on a second. Just a little rearrangement there. Look, we have a great show for you today. Of course, the greatest in the multiverse. What do you expect? Fuck. All right, brothers, look. Well, the hits keep coming. VeChain, Onboards, colorline ships. Yes. Astrology Live. He's like, Shomari, did you see it? I was like, yes, brother. I'm actually going to talk about it tonight. Yes, VeChain, Onboards, colorline ships. Yeah, we're going to talk about that. We've never talked about these guys. I think maybe only once we've got to talk about these guys, but finally, Paxos onboards Revolut for buying and selling of crypto. So we're going to talk about that. So Paxos hodlers, look. and then some good stuff here. BNC to be used for a Toronto crypto options exchange. And so this is a sign of what the future could be. And so that's why I'm bringing up this story. All right. So let's begin how we begin. Let's proceed how we proceed. Oh, and then we do the shout outs and daily summary. All right. Bye. You know that. Look. All right. Hope everyone's having a great day and everything. Hope everything's all right. Hope everyone's all right. Hope you're all right. All right. Let's see what we got here. What do we have here? What do we have here? All right, Bitcoin at $9,179. That's what we have here. That's something we have here. Mm-hmm. And when I left yesterday, Bitcoin was at $9,251. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second. All right. Wait a second. Oh, there I am. Okay. All right, so when I left yesterday, we were at $9,251. So Bitcoin has went down. What is that? What, 80-something bucks? 88 bucks or something like that? Something around there, around 80 bucks. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Look. Oh, look at the blood red. Wow, I wouldn't really call that blood red. It is all red, but yeah, those aren't really good sales right there. I got excited. My eye looked over and saw just red right there. I was like, oh, yeah. I'm like, oh, shit. All right. Anyways, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Bitcoin SV, Chainlink, Litecoin, and Binance Coin. Look. Market moves of the day, brothers. Single digits up to single digits down. Bang. Look at the Chainlink with a 7% rise, though. Bucking the trend in the top 10. All right. Single digits up, single digits down. 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 Synthetics Network, look at you. Ooh, an Elrond. Single digits up, single digits down. 2 single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Bye. Top 10, loser of the day. Baitum, Divi, Nervous Network, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Diamond, Ontology, Loopring, Qtum, Zilliqa, and Ravencoin. Let's see who made money today, brothers and sisters. Bye. Oh, solid gains. Yes, indeed, brothers. The gains are becoming more solid. All right, top 10 gainers. Elrond, IXRLC, Synthetics Network, Flexicoin, Swissborg, Terra, Tezos, Ampleforth, Reserve Rights, and look, Chainlink to the rescue. That'll rescue your portfolio right there, son. Look. Clark. Your portfolio is looking a little down. Look. It's a Chainlink to the rescue. All right, brothers, sisters, market cap of the day. Total market cap of the day. Check it out. What are we working with here? $271.9 billion when I left you yesterday. So we're at $271.9 billion. When I left you yesterday, we're at 273.5. So we've gone down $1.6 billion in market cap. At 24-hour volume, 56.6. Is that? $56.6 billion in total market cap today. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 64.4. So we've gone down. What is that? My math. What is that? $7.8 billion, something like that, around there. Look, all right, well, that's how life goes sometimes. Sometimes you go up, sometimes you go down. All right, let's get to the stories. Bang! Yes, here you go. Yes, Astrology Live. He was like, Shomari, just right now, when I was looking at the YouTube, I was like going to answer the last comments before I did the show. And I saw him. He's like, did you know what Onboard? I was like, yes, brother. I'm doing it today. So here it is, brother. Like I said, like I promised. So another onboarding for another onboarding for VeChain. What else is new? What else is new, brothers? Just the usual. But what's good about this is, remember this. So look on the left side of my screen. So remember this My Care thing. Remember, they just built this shit, like a month and a half ago? Right? Right? For the Corona stuff, right? It's about the Corona thing, right? To help you with Corona, make sure people, whatever. Just make sure you're safe and stuff, right? Yeah, look at all the adoptions it has already. Right? The hospital that hospital in Cyprus? And more. There's more in Cyprus. And then they're making them, when they come off the cruise ships, do it. That other cruise liner is using it. I wish I remembered the names. Anyway, a bunch of companies using it, and it just came out a month and a half ago. So, talk about quick to market, like daggone. Like, you just came out with the thing, right? Oh, yeah. So, this is awesome. All right. European cruise operator Colorline integrates My Care. My Care is the coronavirus thing that VeChain made, so we're going to read about that. I'm sure they'll yap about it right here anyway. Oh, yeah, literally, it's the first sentence. My Care, the coronavirus prevention solution. So, as I was saying. All right. I didn't read this story. I mean, there's nothing to read. It's an onboarding. It's, we've been reading about My Care around here, so we know what it's doing, but we always read the onboardings just so, we keep up to date on who's making what money and whatnot. All right, hold on a sec. Get a sip. So, My Care. The coronavirus prevention solution, jointly developed by DNVGL and VeChain, is enjoying increasing adoption. They just came out with this thing a month and a half ago. Following the recent implementation of the VeChain Thor blockchain-based solution by Viking Lines. Oh, that's the other cruise company, Viking Lines. And the International Hotel Group Intercontinental. We read about that the other day. Well, we read about both of them. The world's leading steel company. Yeah, that's right. We read about that too. ArcelorMittal, DNVGL has now evaluated the cruise company Colorline using the My Care methodology. Bang! That's it. Look at the names. Like, they came out with this product, and these are mega names. Intercontinental, we read about them, right? They own like Holiday Inn, Holiday Inn Express. Like, those are major, at least here in America. Holiday Inn, Holiday Inn Express are major. Plus, there are a couple other names on there. Viking Cruise Lines, everybody knows about Viking. And then this metal company, it's one of the biggest metal companies in the world. What was it? A steel company, wasn't it, or something like that? So, bang, bang. That's adoption. That is, companies come out with products. Yeah, but sometimes, well, do people use them? Right? Like, look at this product. It came out in a month and a half. Bang! Look at all the names on it. Right? It's a beautiful thing. Let's compare. Let's compare sort of Ripple in VeChain. Ripple has had their little on-demand liquidity thing, which was supposed to be for banking. Remember that? The global banking, $589 Ripples. Not one bank uses that shit, right? Now, Ripple is just selling their shit to little remittance companies, and those companies aren't even buying it. Ripple is paying MoneyGram to use it. Ripple is paying a Visa to use it. So that's a product. That's an example of a product that just no one wants it, and you're faking it till you make it. Whereas, look at this VeChain product, MyCare. I mean, they launch it and just wait. Bang! Look, bang! Look, bang! You know what I mean? Like major, mega corporations. That's what a successful company looks like. Okay, that's why I wanted to put them side by side right there. Okay, you can have all the products you want, but when you've got a good product, look, it gets gobbled up like VeChain. When you got a hunk of dog shit, you got to pay people to use it. Remember that? Ripple paid MoneyGram $50 million, and MoneyGram only signed a 2-year contract because they think it's a piece of shit, right? And Aviso, Ripple's a bigger partner in Europe, biggest partner or the biggest European partner. Remember, we read it here. Ripple's paying the company. So Ripple's not even generating revenue. They're paying revenue. And so this is the example of two companies on two different spectrums of success. And this is the kind of stuff I want you to put in your portfolio. VeChain type stuff. They come out with a product. Bang, bang, bang. It's adopted. Right? It's being used all over the place. Right? Do you see what I'm saying? This is the kind of stuff. All right. This is the quality. This is called success. Success. And I want you to invest in successful distributed ledger technology providers, that are rolling out successful products. All right. That's what the channel's about. Look. All right. Let's check it out. Colorline AS is the largest cruise line. See what I mean? And that's how they do it. That's how VeChain does it. They just don't get a cruise line. They get the largest fucking cruise line. Right? That's the quality, right? IOTA just doesn't onboard one little mining company. Bang, they're being used across all of Europe for their mining, right? That's the level of success I want in your portfolio, because when these institutional investors arrive, they're going to be dumbfounded by just the great success of these companies. I mean, these are amazingly successful companies. Do you know how many? I have 4 IOTA stories to read to you guys. In fact, I just didn't read one today because I was like, all right, man, just fuck. I want to read some other stuff just other than just VeChain and IOTA all the time. Don't worry, though. They'll be on the Saturday show, so we'll do it. If I can't, then we'll do it on the wrap-up. But that's success. That's what I want. That's what I preach. What I want. It is what I want. But I mean, that's what I preach around here. For you to have stuff in your portfolio that is just success after success. I mean, these are names that, these are the Apples and the Microsoft and Apples of the digital ledger technology space. You get it? That's what I want in your portfolio. Well, that's what I preach. I mean, I don't tell a man what to do with his money. Last night, Lorna. I was like, yeah, Lorna, I don't tell anyone what to do with their money, but VeChain and IOTA are top 5. So you can either get guaranteed money, or look, sweetie, you can roll those dice. You roll those dice. I like a for sure thing. Look, Colorline AS is the largest cruise line operating on routes to and from Norway. The company is also one of the leading operators in Europe and offers passenger and freight transport. So it's not just passenger cruise lines like cruise ships, but they offer freight transport. So according to yesterday's DNVGL publication, DNVGL has verified the cruise line and determined that Colorline's infection prevention processes and measures are sufficient to enable people's safety and comply with local regulations. Oh, yeah. There. Watch. I have a VeChain story for you tomorrow. Watch. Holy shit. Yeah. Because I only do one a day, so I chose this one because Astrology Live asked. Well, he didn't ask, but he just mentioned it, and it was like, wow. Since someone's asking about it, I might as well talk about it. But watch what VeChain is doing in hotels in China. Fuck, tomorrow. Wait for tomorrow, guys. Oh, yeah, there's another onboarding, and it's mega. Holy, and it's wild. Anyways, so but let's stick to today's onboarding. One onboarding at a time. I used to have a buddy. He was a crystal meth addict in San Francisco. Not like a homeless guy or anything, but just, he loved him some crystal. This white boy. And I'd bring up stuff, and he'd be like, we'd be talking about something, and I'd bring up something else, and he'd tell me, he'd say, hey, Shomari, one nightmare at a time, man. One nightmare at a time. So we're going to talk about one onboarding at a time. I liked that guy. It's too bad he was on those drugs. The MyCare evaluation included Colorline's management systems on all 6 passenger and cargo ships that operate between Norway and Denmark, Germany and Sweden, as well as on the associated terminals. Okay, so they did the verification on the ships themselves and on the terminals. I guess where you load, where you get on, right? Where you get on the ship. By passing the verification, Colorline is the first company in Norway to be verified by DNVGL for systems related to the management of infection risks. Bang! Means we're clean. We're clean. That's what they're saying. We're clean. As Annette Asserstein, compliance officer at Colorline, explained, this shows that Colorline ships and terminals are safe when adequate systems are in place for both passengers and staff. Passengers can find the MyCare QR code on board and open DNVGL's assessment statement, which contains more details in a consumer-friendly way and are stored on the VeChain Thor blockchain for added trust and integrity. So that people can scan it and they will know about the ship and its cleanliness and all this. And that's what I have to show you tomorrow. Holy, you should see this shit that VeChain's doing. Holy. Well, I guess it's not VeChain doing it. I guess it's the company doing it by using the blockchain. Yeah, they're showing. I'm going to give a little tease. These motherfuckers are showing how clean they are, down to even telling you the name of the product that they clean that table with. Watch. Tomorrow's going to be fun on the VeChain tip. All right, so look. Wow, I'm excited about that. I forgot I had that until right now. Lynn Jacobson Hammer, Sustainability and Training Manager, Norway DNVGL, commented on Colorline's successful verification. So this is who's this lady here? Sustaining and Training. Anyway, she works for the cruise ship company. Or does she? Or maybe she wears... Oh, no, my bad. She works for DNVGL. Oh, and she's talking about the successful thing for the cruise ship. The successful... they passed the grade to be clean. So congratulations to Colorline on achieving the MyCare Infection Prevention Ready Trust Mark for its vessels. Actively building trust in its infection prevention efforts demonstrates Colorline's strong commitment to ensuring adequate and compliant infection risk management measures. Verification by a third party provides assurance that the right measures are in place to keep people safe, providing transparency and enhancing the trust of passengers and other stakeholders. That's right. Having a third party do it. Right? You can't have me, right? If I'm the ship owner, say, oh yeah, my ship's safe. Nah, dog. You need to have a third party confirm that it's safe. You know this guy only wants his money. Anyways, already 2 weeks ago, VeChain co-founder Sunny Liu pointed out the transformative potential of MyCare and commented on the adoption as follows. As we contend with the new normal due to COVID-19, and this is the new normal, fucking new normal. Fucking Justin, he said that shit the other day too. I mean, I told you guys the other day when I tweeted you that thing. It is. This is it. This is it. You know that humans, we're not going to do what we have to do to get rid of this. Let's get real. What needs to be what needs to be done is everyone just stay in your fucking house for like 5-6 weeks. Worldwide. Like worldwide. Right? That's right. And every country just print money for your citizens and pay them just to stay at home so they can live. That's the truth. That's the truth. Other than that, I when they say new normal, and that, I told you guys this is the new normal until vaccine. That's it. So, anyways, as you can tell with the new normal due to COVID-19, wait, let me have a sip. All right, that's what's going down around these parts. It's too late now. It's too late. You fucked up. We had a chance when that shit first popped up, when we first locked down, and the numbers started slightly going, and then, oh, but we need money. All right, well, now look at you fuckers. Yeah, you're a restaurant owner. All right, well, now you're going to only work at half capacity for the next, until the vaccine is there. You're a hair salon. You're going to work at half capacity till the vaccine is there. All right. Your sports teams, all that. Yeah, well, you guys are losing money big time. And look, LeBron still needs to get his paycheck, son. Yeah, LeBron don't give a fuck about no COVID. LeBron needs his money. Look, yeah, he's here for straight cash, homie. Where's my millions? But you didn't even play, LeBron. Hey, that ain't my fault. That ain't my business. You owe me money, son. Where's my check? Luck. So look, as we can tell with the new normal due to COVID-19, the demand for trust has never been so important. Now, you got to trust these places are clean. I'm telling you, tomorrow's story is going to be amazing. Yeah, you can trust that this place is clean after you see the lengths that these hotels are going through using the VeChain thing. Man, I'm almost so excited. I almost want to just read it right now, daggone. But I probably, let's just go on, though. All right. Blockchain will be one of the driving forces to increase confidence in data integrity, business credibility, and mutual trust in multi-party collaboration. With VeChain Toolchain, we have great confidence to support DNVGL's digital transformation strategy to develop more digital solutions like My Story and My Care to expand and improve their offerings to serve their clients worldwide. Bang! So you see that, right? That's the shit. Look at VeChain's Toolchain. Bang! How many onboardings have we read? Fucking the My Story. That's that traceability thing they have. My Story is the traceability thing they have. Bang! How many traceabilities have we tried? And then My Care is the new COVID thing. Bang! How many we read about lately in the past fucking month? Right? These three products. VeChain's Toolchain, the My Story for tracing, and the My Care for the COVID. Bang! Look, bang! And look, bang. That's the quality you want in your portfolio, people. That's the quality you want in your portfolio. When smart money gets here, when big money gets here, when that institutional money gets here, and those analysts see stuff like this, and it's not just like, oh, well, we created a product. No, but it's being used. This product is being used, right? Anyone can create a product. Sure, you can create on-demand liquidity, but if no one's using it, well, who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? You know what I mean? Who gives a fuck? Well, yeah. Look. Viking lines. Whoops. Oh, my bad. I got a little too excited there. Viking Lines is using it. Bang! International Hotels using it. Bang! This metal company is using it. Bang! Shit only came out a month and a half ago, and now this new company. So, I know I've been preaching lately, not lately, since the channel. Working product. Invest in working product. When smart money gets here, you're going to be rich. Like, bottom line, you're going to be rich. So you can invest in working product that's guaranteed. Or look. You can roll those dice, homeboy, and hope for riches. Of course, if you just get the riches first, well, you can make that money make you more money. So settle down. All right, let's get on to the next story. Bye. What do we got? Oh, Paxos. Yes. Revolut's partnership with Paxos allow its U.S. users to buy, sell, and hodl Bitcoin and Ethereum in 49 states. All right. So you Paxos hodlers, if there are any. I don't think I've heard any of you, not one of my subscribers, say they own this, but this is a news channel, and And that's it's an onboarding, and so that's what we do around these parts. So good for these guys. Let me get a sip, and then let's check it out. 49 states. I wonder which was that one state that didn't let it in. Yeah, so that rogue state. Got a rogue state. We've onboarded 49 of them, sir. Well, who's the holdout? Who's the rogue state? All right, let's check it out. All right. Rogue state. Revolut now allows its U.S. users to trade cryptocurrencies by partnering with Paxos. Bang! So Paxos hodlers, here you guys go. Bang! An onboarding. Well, Paxos hodlers, man, I think this is either the first or at the very most the second time I've talked about your crypto here. Because I only talk about crypto when it makes money, and so if I don't talk about your crypto, then it's not making money, and so... Well, I'm glad to welcome you to the family. Glad you're on the show. And I hope to keep talking about you more into the future. Going forward, yes. Bang! So this was made possible by New York-based Paxos. Get a new brokerage service to let merchants offer crypto trading services. Oh, yeah. Revolut US, the American division of the online bank, is the first client of Paxos. Oh, that's why I never read it. I see. It's the first client of Paxos. Wow. Congratulations, Paxos. Now I understand why I'm just reading you for the first time. Bravo. Bravo. Well done. Well done. Keep up the good work. So, Paxos CEO Chad Cascarilla compared its new brokerage with a plug-and-play service that can be used by any company, from payment firms to retailers, to offer crypto to their customers with Paxos on the back end. Yes, but doing that back end grind work. It's clear, so I guess this is the CEO right here. He's saying it's clear firms want to offer crypto, but are finding it difficult to build the regulatory and technological infrastructure to do that. He told Fortune. Oh, he's in a Fortune interview with this. You guys know Fortune magazine, obviously, right? So anyways, this allows anyone, no matter what type of firm they are, to do that. Bang! Yeah, exactly. Make it nice and easy. So this is a one-stop shop, nice and easy. You get this Paxos thing, and you can offer to buy it and sell it and all this stuff. So, but it's regulatory. That's what they said. Like, that's the problem, is getting the regulations and the technological infrastructure right. Well, you don't have to worry about the regulations. You don't got to worry about the infrastructure. If a firm wants, you just use the services of Paxos right here, and bang, you're compliant, and your infrastructure is good to go, and your technology is good to go. Good. So Paxos is a legal trust company, which means it retains all the assets it holds on its customers' behalf, which allows it to deal with traditional financial firms that have to otherwise keep away from digital assets because of regulations or another risk. Paxos currently offers a fiat-pegged stablecoin, Paxos Standard, and a crypto token based on backed by physical gold. All right. So more options for you as customers. Oh yeah, let me have a sip. Good stuff, Paxos, man. Good stuff. All right, their first onboarding. So now I understand why we never read them here. I kind of was wondering, did we ever read even one? Well, good. And that's how this channel works. If you're new here, you probably wonder, why is this guy always reading about IOTA? Why is he always reading about VeChain? How it works is I go to 23 websites a day. I have 23 crypto sites I go to every single day. And I scroll, I dig through all the stories. And anyone that makes money that day, bang, that's who we talk about. Any onboarding. So it might seem like, oh, Shomari just wants to talk about IOTA and VeChain. No. Well, I mean, I don't mind, but I mean, it's not that. It's just that, well, they keep onboarding stuff. And so I've told you here, if something onboards even 5 cents of a deal, that's what we talk about. And so really what I want to tell you, if you have some coin on here and you've been watching this channel for a while and you never hear me talk about it. Yeesh. Yeesh. That's probably not a good sign, right? But if you're sitting here and I'm naming, and every other day I'm reading something that's in your portfolio, well, your portfolio must be pretty good then. Pretty damn good. All right, so just a few months back. All right, so more options for U.S. customers. So just a few months back, in late March 2020, Revolut launched its app and service in the U.S. Its partnership with the Metropolitan Commercial Bank enabled the company to offer its debit card to U.S. customers. Oh, yeah, good luck with that. Now, the European fintech allows its U.S. users to buy, hodl, and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum from the Revolut app. But you can't send and receive crypto from third-party wallets. Wait, you can't? Well, why? All right. So the feature is available in 49 states due to some regulatory concerns issues in Tennessee. Oh, so they even tell us. That's the fucking rogue state. Tennessee. Those rednecks right there. When I was in the Army, I'm going to tell you a story. When I was in the Army, you meet people from around the country, obviously, when they train us, right? So when I was at basic training, there was this kid, and he was from Tennessee. And I sat down, we were eating, I don't know, we were in the chow hall, and I'm eating lunch or dinner. I don't remember which meal it was. And he goes to me, hey, what do you call a guy? Wait, what did he say to me? He said, what do you call the girl that you lose your virginity to in Tennessee? I was like, I don't know. Your cousin. That's what he said, your cousin. I was like, daggone, homeboy. That's nasty. That's nasty. What's wrong with you? And I literally did say that to him. I was like, come on, dude. Is that how you guys roll over there in Tennessee? You're fucking your own family members? Yeesh. All right. So anyway, sorry about that. That's the only thing I know about Tennessee. They're fucking their cousins down there. Well, up there. I'm in Florida, so that's above us. Yeah, they're fucking their cousins up there. Fuck. Anyways, for now, only the top 2 cryptos are available. Unlike its European counterpart, where it offers more cryptos such as XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. The company is working on adding more cryptos to the list. For the first 30 days, Revolut is waiving the fees, which usually is 2.5% for a free Revolut account, while premium metal subscription will pay 1.5% in conversion fees. Fees. There are some monthly limits on currency exchange for free users. Oh, man, which means you have to pay an 0.5 fee above them. All right, whatever, man. Look. But the point is, look, Paxos hodlers. All right, well, you're a Paxos hodler. There you go. Oh, so, and I'm proud. It is my honor and privilege, bang, to show you your first client, Paxos hodlers. There you go. That's an onboarding. That's what we call around these parts generating revenue. That's it. So, welcome to the club. Welcome to the revenue generating club. Bravo. Good work. Well done. Keep it up. Right? We always read them in the up and the bottom 10, down 10 part of the overall, the market summary thing I do at the beginning. But we've never actually read anything of them doing. So look, Paxos hodlers. Is your first client? Look. Bye. Welcome to the club of successful revenue generating companies. Good stuff, Paxos. All right, let's move on. Bang! Toronto Options Exchange picks BNC to power crypto markets. Bang! Now, really, I don't give a fuck about the BNC part. What I really love about this story is Toronto's about to offer fucking crypto options. Look, that's my hometown. The T-Dot. Look. Bang! Yeah, that's where I grew up, right there. I was born in New York, but actually I grew up in Toronto. Well, I didn't grow up in Toronto. I grew up in a place called Scarborough. It's a suburb. I grew up in the suburbs, but, I tell people Toronto just because you know where people know where that is. Whereas I grew up in a place called Scarborough, and then a little while in Mississauga, this place called Mississauga. So look, Toronto. Toronto's going to bring options, and that's what this story's about. That's what I want you to see, is that crypto investment vehicles are finally being unloaded. We read about a month ago. I think it was all in the same week, wasn't it? We read about here in America that one company offering crypto 401ks. Bang! And then we read about that one company offering crypto retirement funds. Look, bang! Oh, actually, yesterday we read about Fidelity. Oh, yeah, doing the custody for that one that's offering the retirement account. Right. Yeah, Fidelity is doing the custody for Kingdom Trust, which is doing the Bitcoin IRA, IRA independent retirement account. And so, right. And so these are the things we need. Investment vehicles, right? That's what's going to make us the crazy amounts of money. Excuse me. Hold on. Let me get like this. That's what you need. Oh, speaking of, hold on. Yeah. So hold on. Oh, it's right here. Can you see that over my head? Hold on. Can you guys see that? Okay, so you can see most of it. Hold on. Yeah, Elon Musk, Kanye West, Bill Gates' Twitter accounts were hacked today by a Bitcoin thief. Yeah. I was watching Al Jazeera and I saw that. That's how big of a news it was. So, I don't know how you feel about that. It gets the name Bitcoin out there, but also it again attaches Bitcoin to nefarious behavior, right? You know what I mean? So it gets the word Bitcoin out there, but it's tainted with the why it's being used, right? But anyways, once the big dogs really start rolling in, they will start promoting it in a good manner, and Soccer Mom and Dad will be here, so don't worry about it. And so, all right, let me get a sip, and then we're going to talk about the Toronto Options Exchange picks BNC to power crypto markets. Boom. That's what we're going to chat about. Right? This is a real exchange. This is a regulated exchange, right? This isn't options on BitMEX or Bitfinex or some little nonsense. This is a real options exchange. You know what I mean? It's like here in America, we have the CBOE, the Chicago Board of Options Exchange. Yeah, well, this is Canada's version of the CBOE. This is the real deal. Just like the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, or the S&P 500, the real deal. Not Bitfinex or Bittrex or OKX or any of these kind of little weird little crackhead things. These ghetto-ass places. This is the real deal. Look! Let's check it out, brothers. Sisters. All of us. Dogs, cats, chicken, pigs. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Come on, let's check this out. All right, so check this out. Digital asset data firm Brave New Coin, BNC, has linked a multi-year deal with the Toronto Futures Options Swap Exchange to power its crypto options trading. Buy! All right, in America, we have the CBOE, the Chicago Board of Options Exchange. Well, this is Canada's version. BNC's data will enable the new Canadian derivative exchange and clearinghouse to offer cash-settled crypto derivatives to global clients. So, let me be honest, in full disclosure, this is not going to help the price of your crypto. This is not going to help the price of your crypto because these are, and for you who've been here long enough, you know why, because these are cash-settled derivatives and not physically settled derivatives. And so, as you guys see every day, I show you my trades lately. Well, and we're going to do that from now on. I show you my Forex trades. And yeah, I'm making money off of the off of the exchange rate. So here's the exchange rate of the Australian dollar versus the yen. But what I'm doing is I'm buying a derivatives contract. So I'm a derivatives trader, and so that contract goes up and down based on the exchange rate of, well, it only goes one way, the Australian dollar or the Japanese yen, right? But I never actually own any physical yen or physical Australian dollars. I've never owned a yen in my life. I wouldn't know what one looked like if you gave it to me. But I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years trading it. But that's what it is. And that derivatives. And so that's what this is. These are, as you can see right here, let me show it again. Cash settled derivatives. And so basically what I trade. So when I trade, my money goes into the market. So it gives liquidity, but it doesn't affect the underlying price of the asset. We're just making money off of the underlying price of the asset. So, you know, what the governments do and shit like that, that makes the price go up and down. And it's up to me to guess, well, not really guess, but just what that's the effect of what they do is going to be. And that allows my contract to make me money or not, right? And so these are cash settled derivatives. So these are not going to add to our price going up, but because that doesn't take money, these don't take so like I'll explain to you right now. So a derivative, like I just showed you, here's the Australian dollar, Japanese yen exchange rate. Well, when I buy this, I'm not taking any yen or Australian dollars off the market. I'm just making money off of them. And so the only thing that makes that makes a price of something go up or down is scarcity or lack of scarcity, right? And so that's what these are going to do. These aren't going to create scarcity. In other words, these aren't going to take the crypto off the market, but they'll allow you to make money off the price action of the underlying asset, which is that crypto. So it'll be the same thing. You're going to buy this Ethereum. You're going to make money off the asset, but you own this. You never actually touch that Ethereum. And that's what I told you. A lot of people like derivatives because we don't want to touch the asset. I don't want to own fucking euros. I don't want to own yen. I just want to make money off that shit and then put the money in my account and I'm out of here, you know? You get it? And that's how derivatives work. Derivatives are a nice way to make money off of an underlying asset without actually having to own that fucking thing, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, I want to make money off of gold. Yeah, I don't want bricks of it in my fucking house. You know what I'm saying? Fucking carrying loads of bricks in my house. No, but I want to make money off of it, right? So you could buy a derivatives contract and you make money off the movement of gold, right? Or anything, everything has a derivative. There's a derivative for Microsoft shares. There's a derivative for the bond market. That's why I told you guys, all right, you want to hear a little secret? The truth is, oh yeah, worker bees, you're going to hear something right here. The derivatives market is over 100 times more money than is all on Earth. Now, do you know that? If the derivatives market ever crashed, that would be the end of the global economy. Yeah. It's over 100 times the size of every single dollar and penny printed on Earth. The derivatives market is 100 and something times more than that. Yo, Justin, if you're watching, remember you had that chart you showed us with the derivatives in comparison to the other currencies? Yo, tweet that to me. Tweet that to me so I can show these people. Yeah. That's the dirty little secret of all of markets. Any market player like Real Killer like me will tell you. Yeah, why do you think these Wall Street guys are building underground bunkers in Wyoming and shit? Yeah, because they see what's happening in the derivatives market. Look. It's true. The derivatives market is a leveraged market, meaning you control more than the money that's actually there. Like, how do I make money trading Forex? Yeah, because I'm leveraged. I have 50-to-1 leverage, right? That's why when I put in a little trade, yeah, I make a couple $100, a couple $1,000, even though I only put in a couple $100 because I'm leveraged. But I also lose a couple hundred, lose a couple thousand if I make the wrong choice. So you better know what you're doing when you have leverage. But that's what the derivatives market is. It's leveraged to the hilt. And it has, the derivatives market has over 100 times all the money on earth. Yeah, from every country. Every country, yeah. And if that market ever crashes, that's the end. You can't bail it out. There is no bailing out that. That's the dirty secret of the global financial system, is the derivatives market. They don't mind if a stock market here crashes. They don't mind if a country goes into recession here. You know, a housing market crashes there. A little something. Those are easily fixed. Print a little money. All right, pretend it never happened. Yeah, there is no printing money. If the derivatives market crashes, there is no fucking printing the money. There isn't. That's it. It's over. It's over. Like this whole globalization, global economic system that we built. If the derivatives market fails, yeah, it's over. And we'll have to start with some other thing. Or, I mean, put in more controls or something, but you won't be able to rescue the old economy. You'd have to go to a new one. Yeah, that's serious. That's why I always laugh when you fuckers are telling me, Shomari, oh my gosh, you guys are getting scared of all this other stuff. No, dick. Those are a little recession here and there. Yeah, so what, dick? Print a little money, it's over. We know how to handle those. You know, a little coronavirus here. All right, print a little money, pay the people, it's over. Well, not the virus. Obviously, we can see the virus is still kicking around because fucking COVIDiots decided to, well, be COVIDiots. But yeah, the derivatives market is the one market in all the world that if that fails, it's over. Yeah, for real, it's over. Like, that's not conspiracy theory. That's not some, weird little thing like you guys always talk about. Food shortages and global pandemic, riots in the streets. This is real. All right. So let me get a sip. We'll move on. Holy, how did we get into that? Oh, because of the cash settled. All right. I mean, I've told you that before. I mean, we watched that before. Back in 2018, I showed you when Justin gave us that chart. And that's why I'm asking Justin, please fucking give me that thing again so I could show people tomorrow or something. And that's the truth. Think about my market I'm in. I'm in the Forex market. That's $5.6 trillion a day. The Forex market is a tiny slice of the derivatives market. I know what you're saying. Fucking 5.6 trillion? That's huge. It is huge. It's mega. But compared to the whole derivatives market as a whole, yeesh, that's just a tiny slice. Right? That's why we had to bail out the banks after the housing crash, because they had a lot of CDO and MBS. That's all derivative shit. Yeah, it was all leveraged 100 times. If we didn't make those derivatives derivatives, like I showed you, I get stopped out. Well, if we let those derivatives get stopped out, that would have been the end of the economy. The global economy, like for real. That's why we had to bail those banks out. That's why they said too big to fail. It's not that we care about banks or something. It's that they had all those mortgages. Well, they were all derivatives, right? Sold across America and across Europe. Yeah, had fucking 100 times leverage. So if they tank, look. And that's why we had to keep pumping money in to make sure they didn't tank. And we could just sort of slowly weed them away or whatever. All right, so. Yeah, guys, that's the serious shit right there, though, derivatives. That's the market I play in. That's the big boy stuff. That's the killer shit. If derivatives ever go down, that's the end of the global economy. All right. So whenever you guys are crying to me about the Fed printing a little bit of money, settle down. Yeah, we're just fixing a little problem, man. Yeah, settle down. We have to print that money. If we didn't print it, we'd be fucked. All right, what you should be upset about is if we don't print it. All right. Yeah, you guys think opposite. Anyways, the partnership will see BNC design, calculate, and administer a suite of cryptocurrency indices to power cash-settled options trading on TFOSE. Yes. Oh, and that's what I also wanted to mention is that, hold on a second, is that, I've told you guys this before. I mean, you guys who are here a long time, but if you're new, in the markets, we attack the markets. All right, let me explain something. The markets have asset classes, and within those asset classes, you have the particular assets. Now, to make money from an asset, there are many, many ways to do so. So let's take the example of a Microsoft share. A Microsoft share, I can either buy it vanilla, what we call vanilla, meaning just buying the share off your E-Trade account or whatever. It's called buying vanilla. I just buy a share and hodl it. You can have it in your 401k, so you're making money off of the price action of Microsoft through the 401k investment vehicle. You can have it in a mutual fund. Again, you're making money off the price action through the fund. You can make money off of Microsoft through options. You can buy puts and calls on Microsoft if you want. Make money that way. What else we got? We have Microsoft futures contracts. You can make money off the price action through a futures contract. We got Microsoft swaps. Again, the price action. What else we got? Fuck, we got so much. You can have it. Did I already say the 401k thing? Yeah. You can have it in your retirement account, your IRA. So your retirement will be based on the price action. So anyway, and that's enough. So you see, there's 7 ways to make money from one share called Microsoft, right? And why am I telling you that? And shit, I lost my train of thought. And and those are called investment vehicles. So you see those 7 ways? These are the vehicles that you can use to make money from Microsoft. And so what this is, and so let me tell you this. And so why we need these investment vehicles is because, well, market killers like myself, we specialize in certain things, right? I specialize in derivatives. So, if you want me to make you money in the Forex market, here's Shomari, take $100,000, make me some money. Sure, I could do that easy anytime I want, right? But if you give me money to trade for you in the futures market, yeah, it won't work, right? Like I know what a futures is. I know how a futures works. I know what they're used for, all of it, but I'm not a futures master. But there is a futures master, and that's the guy you get to make you the money. In other words, what I'm saying is, the example I used to use last year was, attacking the market is like having an army, right? And so let's say Microsoft. Let's use that Microsoft example again. You've got the futures boys that make their money off of it using futures. You got your options boys who use it, who do options with it. You've got your then all the bond funds, 401ks, mutual funds, blah blah, the regular. So all these guys, and so it's like we're all different soldiers, and we're masters in the way we make our money. Do you understand? Yeah, I know the whole market, but can I make you money in the whole market? No. And that's how the markets are. And so finally, what I'm trying to say to you is, holy, I've been yapping a lot, I know, guys. But what I'm trying to say to you is we need more investment vehicles to come in so that these guys that are masters of their killer, right? I'm a master derivatives killer. You give me derivatives, I'll fucking slaughter you, right? Right? An options guy, you give him options, he'll slaughter it. A futures guy, you give him futures, he'll slaughter it. A swaps guy, you give him swaps, he'll slaughter it. Right? And that brings liquidity to the market. And that's what makes a whole market. And that's why you saw with the Microsoft shares, there's 7 ways to kill Microsoft. Those are 7 different soldiers, 7 different types of soldiers who are masters in their investment vehicle. You get it? If you're an options are an investment vehicle. You're an options master? Well, you're an options master. So in other words, if I'm an options master, I need to have options to kill that thing. So Shomari, I'm not an options master, but just imagine, all right, let's talk to Johnny. Johnny is an options master, right? And you say, Johnny, get into Bitcoin. Johnny will tell you, nah, dog, I need some options on that, right? He can't do it because he's an options master, right? But once there's options on it, yeah, he's going to slaughter your bitch asses. He's going to slaughter you. Look! So you guys get it? I know I went into a wider thing about rather than just this story, but that's how it works. Investment vehicles. And so this is an investment vehicle, options on cryptocurrencies. So this will allow all the options masters to come and play into this space, bring us liquidity, and get this place professionalized properly. All right. I know, that was fucked up. That was a long one, brothers. That was a long one, I know. But I want you to get it. Look! 2021, launch for crypto options. So next year. So James Beattie, the president and chief executive of TFOSE, stated that BNC was chosen after the exchange conducted extensive research into crypto market data providers. Brave New Coin meets all our needs, taking a unique approach to index design, methodology, and governance that will help TFOSE meet the specific exacting needs of both our retail and institutional investors. So this is going to be for retailers and institutional. But the exchange anticipates its crypto options will begin trading during 2021. However, TFOSE is still yet to receive approval for the planned contract. So that's the only caveat to this story is, well, this ain't guaranteed. They got to get approval, but as long as they're regulated, they will. And I mean, as long as they fit the guidelines, they will. And this is pretty funny. So they're going to launch Litecoin. Is going to be their first one. I know. I just told you yesterday. Yeah, man, I sold those Litecoin and bought those Chainlink. And actually, one of the brothers last night, he's like, I did the same thing too, Shomari. But anyway, they're going to offer Litecoin fund. But again, it doesn't move. These things are not going to move the price of your Litecoin. So don't. Fuck Litecoin. I'm done with Litecoin. So the firms, plural, expect that the indices will be available for production by the fourth quarter of 2022. So by Q4 2020, we'll be good. With the companies planning to launch the TFOSE BNC Litecoin Index first. Then BNC currently, first. BNC currently provides data and index services to NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Factiva, and, this is what was funny, Amazon Alexa. I never thought about that. Yeah, well, if you ask Alexa, hey, how much is the price of Microsoft? Yeah, she's got to get a data feed to tell you. And so they do that. So kind of interesting, that little part there at the end. But anyway, bye. So so the Toronto options say pick BNC. So fuck BNC, I don't really care. But what I love is that bye. Toronto is going to be, let's settle down here, is going to offer options for crypto. And once you offer options for crypto, that allows the options boys to come and kill it. All right, like I said, we're an army. But each man has his own job. Right? We're all attacking. So let's go back to the Microsoft share. We're all attacking Microsoft, the city. Right? The commander says, the general says, you boys get down there and take over that city. Well, and when you're an army, all right, there's different ways to do it. Some are soldiers, pop, 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 with the gun. Some drive tanks, boom, boom, with the big gun. Yeah, some fly airplanes, boom, boom, and bomb stuff from the sky. Now, some are snipers, ping, 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 killing off the enemy from a long way away, right? But we're all one team. We have different jobs, but we're all one team. And that's how the markets are. You got options guys, you got derivatives guys, you got vanilla guys, you got futures guys, all these different types of guys. Yeah, but we're all attacking the same, in this case, the Microsoft share. Bop, bop, bop. Making our money from it. All right. So look, that's enough. All right, let's move on. Bye. What do we got here? Places to buy BTC. We discussed the best places to buy BTC. Oh, to buy Bitcoin. And provide content that makes the process of getting into the crypto space as easy as possible. Good. Let's help soccer mom and dad get in here. Wow. Thank you, brothers. Bye. Nice to see you. Welcome. Look. Hurricane. Oh, let's go right here. Bunch of miscreants right here. Look. Hurricane Master. Love the sea, brother. Bye. Airdrop, you son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Got you wrong, guys. Got you. Love the sea, brother. Bye. Bam. Love the sea, brother. Bye. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Love the sea, brother. Bye. What's your picture? You changed your picture? Let's go look at Kong's thing for a second. Oh. Yeesh, Kong. You're getting spookier and spookier every time you change your picture. All right, Kong. He's feeling it. All right. Look. We got Rob, Larry by the Sea, brother. Boy. Deep Entertainment. So, brother. Larry by the Sea, brother. Boy, and DP. I am a swing trader. Remember those trades I was showing you guys? Remember those swings I was showing you? Boom. Right? Pulse. Swing to the retrace. Boom. Swing to the retrace. I am a swing trader of trending markets. Well, usually the stuff you've been seeing me doing the past 3-4 weeks is not swing trading. It's just instinct trading. But just keep learning keep doing the babypips.com Pipsology course, and then watch those Hector videos I showed you, and you'll see what I mean. All right. Bye. All right, good. Oh, wait. Bye. All right, there we go. Clean that up right there. All right, what do we got here? BNM. CB News. Oh, I know. I'm going to talk about this. Yes, BNM. CB News. Stellar Foundation joins forces with Samsung to integrate its blockchain ecosystem. Yeah, I'm going to talk about this probably on Saturday. Yeah, the devs now you can build stuff, I guess, for Samsung. Wait. How do you say it? Anyway, to use Stellar through the fucking Samsung phone. Great. Bang. We'll see all about that. CB News. Yes, BNM. What are you talking about now, brother? Report. Big Ford firms to become crucial part of DeFi ecosystem by 2030. Fucking 2030? What are you talking about, 10 years from now? Shit. 2030, that DeFi system is going to be taken over by fucking Charles Schwab, JP Morgan and shit. All these little fucksticks are going to be long gone. I don't know. Maybe not. I mean, maybe they'll survive. We'll see. But I don't think so. We'll see. Bang. That's some crypto nerd fantasy stuff. Look. New subscriber. Arvin Zahadi. Look. Larry by the Sea, brother. Bang. BNM. What you talking about, BNM? Look. CB News. Shanghai hotel uses. Oh, that's the shit I'm going to show you tomorrow. That's the one, the hotel. So I'm not going to let them see it. I'm going to pretend I didn't see that. Yes, I got one for you tomorrow. You'll see. Holy. These motherfuckers are using VeChain. Shit. Yeah, it's hardcore. BNM. What do you got? CB News. The Toronto Futures Options Swap Exchange expects to launch crypto contracts during 2021. You dang on right. That's what I just read, BNM. Look. Bah. You know what we do. Following the money, BNM. That's what BNM says. Just connecting the dots, Shomari. He calls me Mr. Shomari. Just connecting the dots. CB News. Yes, BNM. R3 CEO starts Ledger Edge, blockchain platform for corporate bonds. Oh, they're going to sell bonds over blockchain? All right, well. Good for them. Look, we got Ricardo Tuto, brother. There, brother. See, brother. Boy. Look. Holy, we're already here at Fatty? No, where is everybody? Oh, is this it? This is like the second day in a row. I can't find. Usually there's like a big, 13, 14, 15 in one thing. We got Brent C, Spy Lady, Livy Lady, C Lady. Boy. Where's everyone? Oh, this is from last night. Only 3? All right, well. Look, Sloppy, Livy Lady, C brother. Bang! Lorna Downs. Yeah, she's getting her crypto up. Oh, Lorna. Yeah, let me talk to Lorna for a second. So, first of all, Levy girl, see girl. Bang! Lorna. You said, man, I might sell one of my cars and get into crypto. Right? That's what you said when we were in the private chat, right? Look, Lorna. I mean, I don't know how much money you have or whatever. But you said you only started into this crypto space about a month and a half ago. And so you got to really catch up to build your portfolio. And that's what you're trying to do. You're on a buying spree, and I can see that. You're on a buying spree. Good, because you need to accumulate fast. Because, I mean, you came late. And the tsunami is, and right at our fingertips. It's right here. It's right close. And you said maybe you want to sell a car and one of your cars and buy crypto with it. Look, Lorna, I don't tell a person what to do with their money. But I'm just going to say, if that were me and I had 2 cars and I just found out about crypto and I'm at this drinking, smoking motherfucker. Oh, hold on. All right, someone's at my door. We'll pick this up in 1 second, Lorna. But, all right, I'm back. All right, so where were we here? That's my buddy from France right there. Look. All right. What are we talking? Oh, Lorna. Oh, Lorna Downs. The car thing. So look, Lorna. You said you had 2 cars and you're thinking of selling one. Like, look, I don't tell anyone what to do with their money, and I especially don't tell anyone what to do with their personal possessions. But in my opinion, and if I was in the situation you're in, I found a brand new asset class. It's looking promising. There are major onboardings. We've got regulations coming up around the world around it. And I really want into this space. I see that it's going to be lucrative. Yes, lucrative indeed. It's going to make me money. Let's use that basic words like that. And so as a worker bee, I mean, I don't know what you do, Lorna. I don't know anything about you, but I'm assuming you have sort of a regular job. And, well, as a worker bee, you get 26 paychecks a year. Worker bees, you get 26 paychecks a year. And if you don't make enough, well, bang, the government even gives you a bunch of money during tax season, during tax time, right? You get what do you call it? You get tax money. So you get 26 paychecks and a tax check, like that. And so if I was a person who just got into this space a month and a half ago and I saw all this shit and I saw like, daggone. I mean, VeChain's being used. IOTA's being used. Chainlink's being used. I mean, Paxos we just read right now. This is real. This is real. I would look at it this way. As an investor, from a Shomari perspective, I look at it this way. I've got 2 cars sitting in the driveway. Now, a car is a store of value. But that store of value depreciates every single time you fucking turn the key to it, right? A car is a depreciating asset, all right? What we call depreciating asset. It goes down and down in value. To say it that way, layman's terms. It goes down and down in value. So if I've got 2 of these things sitting in my fucking driveway, going down and down in value, well, I've only got one ass. I only got one ass. So I can only sit in one of these things. I can't drive them both at the same time. and it's not going to get me anywhere faster having them both. Well, as an investor, from the Shomari perspective, I'm going to trade in one of those depreciating assets to get my value out of it, the money. So let's say the car's worth 20G right now. Bang! I'm going to get my 20G out of it. Bang! And yes, I will dump every fucking single penny into this crypto space because, look, as a worker bee, you don't get chunks of money, really. Most worker bees, you got to wait check by check every 2 weeks, this. If you have a chance to get yourself a nice lump sum and just dump it into this space, if it were me, that's exactly what I would do. I'd get rid of a car, and go on a fucking shopping spree. Turn that depreciating money value into appreciating value, which I'm going to be rich with over the long term. All right, Lorna, but just saying, that's my opinion. I don't tell anyone to do their money, but bang! All right, someone again is at my door. I'll be right back. Bang! All right, there we go. So we were at the Lorna thing. So that's, like I said, if it were me, and I know I'm a worker bee, and I got to wait 2 weeks, and we have a tsunami that's right on our tail. We got a tsunami that's, that's coming in. And, smart money's entering the space. That's why we're seeing a slight decoupling. I'd definitely get rid of one of those cars. If it were me. Now, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but look, or your possessions. So look, Lorna. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Now, sweetie. Love you, sweetie. See you, sweetie. Bye. That trade you did yesterday, I still don't understand why you did that one. Well, why you did it the way you did. You found the right trade. You did it. Right, here it was. Where is it? Let's even go. Hold on, are we watching it? Yeah, let's review. You were in the GBP-JPY. Right? And you found the trade. It was in the 30. And this is obviously you can see it's gone all crazy now, but this was the portion you were trading. I just don't understand why you did that. I can't show you. All right, well, whatever, man. We'll talk about it one day when I see you again. All right. So as far as my shit goes, well, it's just the shit I've been in. And as you can see, summer doldrums, as you can see, we have begun to do the same thing. So Monday. So, all right, let's just open them up. Monday, bang, made that money. Tuesday, bang, made that money. And then, look, sideways. All right, my price target is right here, right? This black line, I told you that's the Shomari price target. NZD-JPY, this is just a same thing. Here was that range we were in. That was months ago. Bang, 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 retrace. So this is the daily chart, the setup chart, and the daily. And I'm waiting for it to bang, bang, and go up. That's price target number one, that blue line, and we just won't go there. So in terms of my personal trades this week, well, am I still in this shit? Hold on, let me even see if I'm in it. Oh, I am in this trade. All right. So yeah, so minus 22. All right, so I must have got in like right here. So probably right around there. It went up my way and then been wiggling around all week. Euro JPY. This is the one that's paying off. Got in and boom, and then boom, and then retrace, and hopefully tomorrow, boom. Price target is right up here. Let's see if we can get there by the end of the week. That'd be nice. And AUD JPY, same thing. Here's the daily. There's the Fibonacci. Bang, bang. Here's the retracement trend line. Breakout, pullback, get in, and then wiggle sideways. Look at this. Within 100 pip range, we've been wiggling. So, like I told you, it's the summer doldrums. Not to mention, you got the added Corona shit. And then this is just the same trade again. Here's the daily. There's the pulse, the retrace, breakout of the retracement trend line. And this one actually behaved a little last night. It almost made it to price target. So, I mean, I can't really complain about that one. Right? Like, it almost hit price target right there, that blue line. So, good to go. That's about it, man. Fuck, that's it. Let's get out of here. Bang. So, just, well, I'll show you this, though. Bang. Let's go to this. So, and here's the trend scanner. As you can see, the trend scanner is lame. There's nothing there, right? Look at that. CHFJVY. Fucking, all right? These are nothing, right? Just scattered nothing trends. All right. So there we go. That's enough of that. So, yeah, sweetie. So, like I said, summer doldrums, I always told you, there's 3 trading strategies. Go long, go short, or don't put any money in at all. And so, it's pretty much no put your money in at all stuff right now. But, I mean, watch them and look at stuff. I mean, and if you're going to make trades, because you made a great trade yesterday. Well, you didn't make a great trade. You found a great trade, but you put your entry a little late. And so, just clean all that up and you'll be great to go. All right, sweetie. Bye. All right, Edward Ditko and the Ditko family. Family cryptos together stays together. Look. Bye. What we got here? All right, so that's everybody now. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, where we go now? Bang, and then we go. Bye. Welcome back to the Life Star. The Death Star. The Life Star. Look, so we had a great show for you today. VeChain onboards color line shifts. So, bang, another onboarding. They've got the tool chain thing that's working. The tool chain product that's kicking ass. They got the My Story product. That's the one that we keep reading about for authentication. The whole watch it through the supply chain thing, right? That one. And then they have this new product called My Care, which, bang, bang, look at cruise ships. And other major companies are using it already. The fucking thing just came out a month and a half ago. But that's quite impressive. And so, another onboarding for VeChain and its products. All right, and then Paxos onboards Revolut to buy, sell crypto. So, all right. So I was wondering why we never read about Paxos here. No, now I understand. This is Paxos' first onboarding. So look, Paxos holders, buy. Oh, so welcome to the club of successful blockchains. Finally, welcome to the goodie room, brothers. And well, people are going to be able to buy and sell crypto, and all right, good for that. All right, bang. And then BNC to be used for Toronto Crypto Options Exchange. Bang. So BNC, good for them. But I don't really give a fuck about that. What I give a fuck about is bang, bang, bang. There's going to be a whole crypto options exchange coming out in Canada soon. And like I said, it doesn't add to our price, but it does add to the liquidity of the market. And amongst market players, it does add to the frenzy. Look, and like I've told you, this place is going to be like the dot-com bubble days when I was a kid. This place is eventually going to be a fucking frenzy. And so this is the kind of stuff you want to see. Many investment vehicles professionalizing the place where people can get professional. Like, these options traders that are coming to... I know there's a bunch of these little crypto shitty little, what do you call these exchanges that offer options? Yeah, dickhead. Real options trader ain't using that crap. They need strangles and straddles and butterflies and options guys. They're like mad scientists. They have all sorts of shit to do to make money. And they can make money if it goes long, if it goes short, if it just goes sideways. Oh, yeah. I tell you, options boys, they got it all going on. And so, great investment vehicle. Yeah, and then these are the pros, right? This is a regulated. This is on the actual options exchange. Like I said, this is the equivalent of, Bitcoin options being offered on, the CBOE here in America. Well, that's the Chicago Board of Options Exchange. That's our options exchange here in America, right? And so it's the real deal. And so, in other words, hedge funds will be launching their options boys on this thing and stuff like that. If they want to get crypto, all right, now you have an avenue. Launch your options boys on this thing and bang, bang, get your options trading desk boys on it. And get them start to killing. Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it. So let's chill it and kill it. But let's get you back to your wives and lives. So subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. Look, the greatest show in the multiverse. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money, but love talking crypto. Look. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you for having me in your home. Wherever you're seeing me, hearing me. Look, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another fun-filled, fact-filled, crypto-filled day of crypto-ness. So look, until then, subscribe here. Bang. Watch this video here. Bang. And I'll see crypto-ness. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Look. I'm always on duty, fuck stick. Bye. Yes. Over and out. Bye. Yeah.